Minho!
That's Minho, that's Minho. Eat with your...
이건 뭐예요?
Oh god!
He likes it.
Namaste, Dharti Vasiyo. Welcome to our channel. I'm Sweetie.
Nima here.
So guys, today we are going to react to K-pop idols eating Indian food.
What?
Yes, so I guess this
K-pop
is
idols eating
eating
Indian
food. Yes, so I think this video is a part of Exciting India, also known as Fluttering India. It was produced by KBS.
Okay.
Yeah, so they sent Korean K-pop idols to discover.
Which idols?
I think Minho from
Koi
Shiny.
Minho?
Yeah.
I
Koi-
know him from Varang. Oh my god, I love Koi Minho.
Koi Minho from Shiny, Soho from EXO, Jonghyun from CN Blue.
These are big guys.
Yes,
big guys.
yes, these are really famous band. I guess it was in the year 2015.
Wow.
Kyunhyun
And where were we?
from we were here. Kyunhyun from Super Junior and Sungkyu from Infinite.
We joined the scene late, I guess.
Yes, we
If
did.
he knew
Like
that
they
time,
were in India in 2015.
I would be stalking them. No, I won't. I'm a normal person.
So first of all, these are really famous bands.
Yeah, I know.
And
I
like
know. of
Soho
course,
from
yeah.
EXO is like another level.
Yeah, I know. These are big band. Shiny is a big band. EXO
Yes,
is a big band. Yeah.
all of them are like really big band and they were like really famous K-pop idols. Obviously, even now.
I know.
So
Koi
and they're
Minho.
eating Indian food. So let's see.
Wow. In India, right?
Yeah, Mumbai.
Okay. Very Indian music.
She's like, who are they? He's the interpreter, Danish.
Of course, they would need one.
숟가락이 있네요. 네, 있습니다.
Where's Minho?
Wait.
숟가락으로 먹는 사람들이 많습니다. 숟가락 같이 사
Oh god, he brought his own spoon.
그래서 보여드리고 싶어요.
We have spoons, you know that.
He's not amused. The interpreter is not amused.
He must be full. Come on.
No, come on.
걱정돼서 하나 사.
Even I guess the
Yeah, he's also
they both
like,
are not amused.
like what? He must be getting his spoons everywhere, I guess.
That's Kyunhyun, the guy who won.
Minho!
That's
치킨이 유명해요.
tandoori chicken.
인도에서요? 네. 맛있게 드세요.
I hope they like us.
네.
Yeah, I mean, I've been to UK and it's
It's
a bit
tailored to
yeah,
the
it's
UK
tailored to
taste.
the UK taste, so it's not proper.
So this what they're eating is a proper,
Proper Indian.
food. Proper spices.
Minho!
여러분이 여기 계시니까
I guess he likes it.
없으실 거예요.
Wait.
치킨이 유명해요. 인도에서요? 네. 우리 예수
Yeah, he does.
Yes, that's the way to eat. Eat with your...
이건 뭐예요?
Oh god.
He likes it. I know.
야채들이 들어가서 여기 주식이 밀이라서 이게 밀가루
The interpreter is so nice. He's explaining everything.
난요. 난 이거를
Naan is made from maida, I guess.
Yeah, all-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour. It's not from wheat.
They must have translated like that. That's why. I think
I
as
could
of
watch.
Now they are enjoying.
Yeah, I could watch Minho.
Oh god.
I could watch Minho eating all day. Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay, he said he was picky and now he's eating everything. And it's amazing they're not feeling spicy, you know?
Yeah,
Because
it's normally spicy.
Yeah.
Or did they make it less spicy for them? Like,
I don't know,
you know?
maybe behind the scenes, they must have said to
Yeah.
lower the spice level.
The lower the spice level.
Because
Yes,
I'm sure
I
whenever
know.
you guys are eating in Korea or abroad, the food is always tailored to that country's people.
Yeah. So the spices are brought down a little.
It
Yeah.
has that sugary thing to it.
Okay, so that is for washing hands. It's not for drinking. I hope they don't drink it. The finger bowl.
I know he's looking like that. Oh no! He's saying it's me.
네.
He got it right. Mino got it right.
마실 뻔했어. 이러고 되게 좋아해.
So, Suho and his spoon.
넌 아직 배가 고프니?
You may know you can eat as much as you want, and we are so happy he loves it. You know, eat as much. I'm loving this. You have to see the whole series. This is amazing.
Yeah, you have to see the whole thing.
저녁 언제 먹어요?
Oh god, what?
아, 이거 몇 시에 먹어요? 아, 그래요?
He's so cute, yeah. He's fun to be with.
금방 배 꺼질까봐. 그냥 늦게 먹으면 미리 준비해 먹었는데 저는 안 먹어도 뭐 먹을까?
Okay. Oh. Wow, he
배고프니? 아니, 저녁 안 줄까봐.
look at that reporter. He's like, it's so what the fuck?
They are so stunned.
네, 그러면 이제
Okay, so this is another
Yeah.
restaurant.
Okay.
So Jongyun is
He's loving it now.
loving it now. You were eating himself only. Oh, they are loving it. I think Indian food is better.
Oh, a little, but not that much, yeah.
Minho
Minho.
and he's been eating mouthfuls. He's just like me. I don't know what they're eating.
사투리 제조 쓰는 건지.
I pizza
It's
is
a, it's a
there.
continental food, but from where he got those Azuki beans.
No, he's saying they taste like that.
Acha.
I think they're normal beans with it. Yeah.
Are you serious? This everything is in the Indian tricolor. This is again another restaurant.
I don't. What kind of restaurant is this?
Yes. Oh, so Minho likes palak paneer. The green color curry is palak paneer, guys.
Wow, I could watch Minho eat the whole day.
He is relishing it, you know. Like,
Well, Minho, welcome to India. There are so many states, different food, so many colors.
so we are really happy that they really enjoyed our food and they handled spice so well.
Wow. I mean, yeah, because first time when people have Indian food, like the
In
original,
India, yeah.
in India, the original version, so it's a bit spicy
Because because it's tailored to our taste.
Yeah, and outside, it's the spiciness is brought down a little bit, and a lot of yogurt is used. And what happens is, it is Indian, but it's not the actual what we
yeah.
are used to eat.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Wow.
handling such kind of spice level
It's amazing.
and loving it, we are loving it.
Yeah. So hope you guys loved our reaction to K-pop idols eating Indian food. And as always, please do like, share, and subscribe.
Bye
Bye.
bye.